rise and try a new day. Colourful fun, school today. Meet new friends, teachers too. Thinking things, school bell rings, time for school.
Look, here's Phoenix going to her big school in the city. Jacob's mum is bringing him to school. And this is Amelie.
That's it, straight in.
It's playing with powder paint this morning. Could get messy. So it's on with the aprons to protect their school clothes. That's it, Julian. Push your arms through.
Just fasten you up.
That's Amelie's mum giving a helping hand.
No, the other way. That's it, straight in. Can you give Mummy a kiss and a cuddle goodbye? Say later. Can we get you later? Okay.
Is everyone ready, Mrs. Cartmel? Looks like it.
Oompa Loompa hands.
Oh, good idea. Having the powder paint in a big tray. That will stop it spilling everywhere. Is it supposed to go on your noses?
You've got a big bit on yours.
It does look funny though.
Look at my nose. Put it on.
Julian's got an orange nose.
Just watch it doesn't get into your eyes, please, okay? You wouldn't want it getting in your eyes.
It doesn't. Do you know what this powdery stuff is called? I'm at the desert. Powder. I'm at the desert. But it looks like sugar. Yeah.
What does this look like?
Soft.
It's soft, isn't it?
No. It looks like a desert. It is. It is a desert. Yeah. That's what I'm making. Oh, I did it. Let me flatten it out. Look, you can't take any more of mine. So I need
Leave some for Phoenix, Julian.
Stop taking mine, Julian. I need more than this. I've only got a little bit, see? Want to make a big desert, a massive? I did.
Watch what happens when they clap their hands.
Whoa!
Aha! Paint clouds.
It's very soft.
Can you write your name in it now? See if you can write your name.
Fingers and forks make good patterns.
Right, we need to go and clean up first before we go and sit down, okay?
What a lot of mess. Time for a wash. That's it, Phoenix. Get all the powder paint off. Give your nose a rub, Jacob. Oops, missed a bit. Clean children, but a very messy sink. Amelie, how did you get paint on your shoes? Well done, Mrs. Cartmel.
Okay, let's have a look. Hey, Jacob. Your shoes, little white, please.
Jacob's got paint on his shoes too. Find a bin, put it in. What a messy morning. Is that sitting spider Amelie is playing with? I wonder if Miss Mills knows what sitting spider is up to.
I have a sitting spider. Did you try that slide?
Whee! Down the slide.
10, 11, 12. I'm coming down. See, you can sit back up.
A ride for sitting spider.
Hang on. Hang on a minute. Stop. Stop. Yeah. Here's mine.
Uh-oh! Luciana has taken sitting spider.
Hold this a minute.
I don't think Amelie knows.
Spider. 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 I need him. I need him. I need him.
You! Olivia has found him. Amelie's in the playhouse, but can you see sitting spider? Oh, there he is.
And Jacob. Yeah.
On the green.
Haven't you forgotten something, Amelie?
I've just been to look, girls, and I can't find sitting spider. Can you show me?
Oh, here he is. Here he is.
Thank goodness for that. You knew where he was. Did you look after him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good girl. Do you want to go and put him back in his little house where he lives?
And sitting spider looked the slide. Like that.
What a big adventure for sitting spider. It's time for learn and play.
Some of my pizza. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Look at all the toys. Which one do you like?
Are you okay, Callum? Oh, are you washing the dishes? Good, thank you. That's very helpful. Do you do the dishes at home?
Miss Mills is letting Toby ring the bell for the end of learn and play.
Yeah. Yeah,
Really loud. Big room.
Yeah.
Well done.
Children, have you all stopped? Children, Toby has rang the bell today. That was a special permission, wasn't it? Now, we need to tidy up. Right, we're going to sing the tidy up song while we work. Ready? It's tidy up time. It's tidy up time. Girls and boys, it's tidy up time. It's tidy up time. It's tidy up time. Girls and boys, it's tidy up time.
When you've made a mess, you have to tidy up.
I'm gonna put these gloves in.
What's that up Jacob's sleeve?
There's sand in it.
Are you tidying up, children?
Yeah.
Is there sand in your sleeve?
Yeah.
Oh no. Jacob, we've got to get that out. Oh no. Oh no, look. How did all that sand get up your sleeve?
Oh, come on, Lucy. Okay.
Everything's back in place, except outside.
Children, shall we go and explore to see if there's anything else to tidy up? Come on then, let's go.
That's it, Amelie. Brush, brush, brush.
Right, you walk down the side, look down. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. That's it. Thanks for your help. That's brilliant.
Everyone is working together. And the day's mess is soon tidied up. Hooray!